Marston Close, then turn left onto Millhaven Close. Turn left onto Millhaven Close. In 200 yards, turn left onto Grove Road. Take the next left onto Grove Road. In 300 yards, turn right onto Chadwell Heath Lane.
Good morning. Don't worry about my voice. I have some cold. Yeah, so this morning I'm driving to my client. I am a lock stylist, so I have a client just nearby. Today I'm not driving far. I'm just within the hood.
Continue on Chadwell Heath Lane for half a mile.
Yeah, so it's another day on the road. Even if it's a short distance, still driving. Yeah, the weather looks so gloomy today. Yeah, it is winter. Drizzle, but at least today it's not raining like yesterday. So this area is called Chadwell Heath. So where I am is Chadwell Heath surgery. Yeah. So my client is nearby. So about in 3 minutes I'll be there. I thank God for another day. To be alive. To even have a job. To have a client. And there's a time I used to really desire to have something to do.
Turn left onto High Road, A118,
yeah, but
here
I am
onto Station Road.
showing you how I'm driving. And there was a time I was afraid that I wouldn't pass my driving test, but I passed first time in the UK. It was not easy, but shout out to my wife Jumanne, because she's the one who really put in a lot of time to instruct me. So here I am, independent driving, all alone, to as far as 90 something miles, man, from London to Peterborough. It's not easy for a new driver, but a man has to do what he has to do, man. Survival is the key. You have to survive.
Take the next right onto Station Road.
Yellow Junction.
In
Yeah.
150 yards,
So
at the
this road is a station road. Chadwell Heath railway station is just ahead of me, a few minutes away. this roundabout here, I remember when my wife was instructing me on how to drive, someone was indicating to make a U-turn. Then I had not even known about priority. I almost caused an accident. My wife was dumbfounded, and I had my international license by then. So this is Chadwell Heath railway station. I think I've missed my turn. Let me go and make a U-turn. There's a place where I will make a U-turn. Yeah, it was at that roundabout too. I was busy explaining how I almost caused an accident.
Mayfield Road.
Yeah, so I'll make a U-turn here and go back. Nice.
In a quarter of a mile,
Thank
at the
you.
roundabout, take the third exit onto Broomfield Road.
I'm taking you back to Chadwell Heath railway station. Here we are at Chadwell Heath railway station. This is the station over here. There was a time I used to go to my clients using public transport. Somewhere that now I drive for 20 minutes. I used to take like an hour, 30 minutes. I thank God for passing my driving test, and I thank God for a car. It has made work easier. Yeah, so here I'm turning right. Yeah, the third exit.
In 150 yards, your destination will be on the right.
Okay, so I'm here. I'm almost at my client's place, and then we will be done with our driving for today. No, for now. Not for today, for now.
Your destination is on the right.
And there's no parking, so where will I park? Okay, let me go back and let me look for a way to park. Not nice, not nice, not nice. I've not parked well. So here is where now we use what we know as parallel parking. Okay, we are here, guys. It has taken me long to park, but at least I've parked at last. Yeah.
Recording. 3
Yeah.
started.
Guys, I'm done. I'm done with my client now. I'm going back to the house. My next client is coming to the house, so yeah, I just go back to the house now. Let's drive back. Let's drive back. Good. Yeah. Okay. It's a blessed day. Yeah. I'm done with my first client of the day. Back on the wheels, driving back as I will be waiting for my next client. Yeah, so I'm taking the second exit. The ones on my right have priority. Please go, 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 go. Thank you. Okay. So there are two ways of going from here. No, I'll go with the left, because that one normally has a lot of congestion. I remember when I started driving, I never used to see the red lights. One day my wife just laughed at me as I passed red light like they don't exist. Yeah, those are the chronicles of a new driver. Yeah, but over time I've grown to be more confident of the road, and you really wonder what really makes someone fear starting to drive. Yeah, there's nothing to fear. Just know that if you're a new driver, just know that it is something that maybe it's because you've not exposed yourself to it for long enough, but once you get exposed to it, just have a hang of it. It's just like when you first learned how to ride a bicycle. Yeah, you will fall. Wow, so didn't I leave enough space for this guy to pass? Looks like I didn't leave enough space for that guy to pass. This is the police station, Chadwell Heath. Okay, he's turning right, I'm going straight. Left, I'm going straight. There's a very tricky corner somewhere here. This one. A lot of congestion, and there's a shop here, and a lot of cars normally park. It's a mixture of residentials and clients going to the shop, and it's a sharp corner. Yeah, that's what brings confusion there, but just pass there slowly and carefully. How is your day going? I hope you are grinding hard in whatever field you are in. That's what is expected of us. Man is to work, woman is to eat. No, men and women have to work. It's only that our work are different, and our nature of work is different in some aspects, but there's no one who does a lesser job. All of us are doing a good job. Here we are.